friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're talking about a new lip product from Essence Cosmetics. This is the Juicy Balm Glossy Butter Balm. Say that 10 times fast. This lip balm is currently available. You can find it at Ulta and on the Essence site. I'll search around and see if any other retailers are carrying this particular lip product online right now. However, I highly recommend grabbing this from Ulta if you have access to Ulta online. It is a whole dollar cheaper. I just looked it up, and these are $3.99 on the Ulta site and $4.99 on the Essence site. So go for Ulta if you can, if you're interested in these. This lip balm comes in 6 different shades. I do have all 6 here to lip swatch for you. Each of these 6 shades have a different scent, and they are scented based on their names. So one in a melon has a melon scent. Berry Cute is berry scented. Wake Me Up Before You Cocoa is coconut scented. You get the point. So as I go through the lip swatches, I'll also let you know what the scents are. According to the Essence website, these lip balms are cruelty-free, vegan, and they are also gluten and paraben free. I want to read you the details from the Essence website. I love reading product descriptions. I always find them to be very funny in a corny way, and I have a feeling that this one is going to be no different. This is from the Essence site. It says, "Indulge in Essence Juicy Balm Glossy Butter Balm. The eye-catching and trendy colors will take your lips to the next level. The colored lip balm formula melts perfectly into your lips. Enjoy a glossy finish for smooth and plump-looking lips while experiencing a sensational fragrance." That's what they have to say about it, and now you can hear what I have to say about it. Before I get to the lip swatches, I want to show you some close-ups because the packaging information about this, in my opinion, is very important. They are committing one of my personal lip product cardinal sins. If you've watched a lot of my videos, then you probably already know what I'm going to say. This doesn't twist back down. Here's what it looks like before it's swatched. I intentionally didn't touch this berry one yet so that you can see what it looks like when it arrives to you versus the shade that I'm wearing now. Please be careful with how much you dispense because you can't twist it back down and it gets messy really quickly. So just FYI, I hate that and I wish that brands would stop doing it. I'm sure that there's a reason. I'm positive that there's a formula reason why this happens, but I just personally find it so annoying. It gets so messy. It's just, I don't want to be doing calculations while I'm trying to figure out how many times do I need to twist this, and there's no halvesies. This is not the girl math that I want to be partaking in, frankly. So let's take a close-up look at this packaging and then we'll jump into the swatches. I really like a lot of things about the lid for this packaging. I know I complained about the twist up, but I like that this has a little bit of nostalgia for anyone who was thriving in the Maybelline Baby Lips era like I was. This does have a little bit of nostalgia. It's bright, it's colorful, it would be easy to spot in your bag. I like a joyful, fun, colorful packaging. So aside from the twisting down, I do like the other packaging choices that were made here. I like that each one is individually colored to match the scent or flavor. First up is the one I'm wearing throughout the talking portions of the video. This one's called One in a Melon, and this has a really sweet Jolly Rancher type of watermelon scent. I like that. I like a sweet, fruity lip scent, so I'm here for it. I'm here for all of these scents, actually. Next, we have So Berry Cute. You can tell this one is a little bit more of a cool toned tint. I like that you can see a bit of that lavender showing up on the lips. I wasn't expecting the berry color to show up this well, so I'm pleasantly surprised with that one. Next, we have Time to Pitaya. You may know this fruit more colloquially as a dragon fruit. I like the scent on this. I actually like the pink color more than I expected. Usually these bright Barbie or baby pinks are not my favorite, but this one's actually pretty nice. I think it looks pretty flattering on me. Next, we have Kiwi to My Heart. This has a green appearance in the actual stick, but it swatches clear. You'll be able to tell that even more so when you see it just swatched on my arm versus here where my natural lip coloring is showing through a little bit. Personally, the Kiwi is my least favorite scent, and it's not really offering me any tint, so I'd say Kiwi is my least favorite. However, this chocolate to handle color and scent are both really working for me. I love this color. It is far and away my absolute favorite shade of the bunch, and this is the one that I could see myself repurchasing after swiftly using up. Lastly, we have Wake Me Up Before You Cocoa. This is another clear option, and this has a very coconutty scent. It's definitely that beach suntan lotion type of coconut versus like a sweet vanilla baked goods take on coconut. Now I want to show you these shades swatched on my arm so you can see the true nature of the tint showing through. As you can see, Kiwi to My Heart and Wake Me Up Before You Cocoa are both completely clear. So Berry Cute is very lightly tinted, but it definitely shows up on my lips. My favorites are probably the chocolate and berry versions, but all of these do give a nice little hydration. They do need to be reapplied often, but I think we all expect that with a tinted balm. Here's the deal. I actually really like these. I love the scents. I think the packaging is really fun. It has a little bit of a nostalgic feel, but it also feels kind of trendy at the same time. So I like the formula. I like the idea of the packaging. I just don't like the non-retractable nature of the way that this dispenses. Like I said already, I know that there's probably a formula reason why these types of glossy balm products are always situated that way. They're always packaged that way, which probably just means that this type of product will never be exactly 100% perfectly right for me, which is a shame because I love lip balm. Tinted lip balm is my absolute favorite type of lip product. Hands down, if I could only use one lip product for the rest of my life, it would be a tinted lip balm. So in a lot of ways, this is very much the type of thing that I would like, that I would gravitate towards. I love that it's drugstore. I love that it's under $5. The scents are good. The colors are good. There's nothing inherently wrong with anything except I just hate that I can't twist it back down and it gets so messy. That's the only thing. If that's not a deal breaker for you, then I highly recommend these. I'm sure you'll love them. It's not quite a deal breaker for me, but it is enough for me to complain about. I guess that's the point of a review anyway. I would love to hear what you think about this product. How do you feel about this type of packaging? Maybe you don't care at all. That's fine too. Which color is your favorite? What's your favorite tinted lip balm? Just tell me anything. I just want to hear anything you think today down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Juicy Balm. Juicy Balm Lip Balm. Glossy Butter Balm. Dang it! This is... What are you? This lip balm comes in 6 different... Was that weird? Probably. It's giving Maybelline baby lips. Honestly. Do you remember those? Oh, great. A bright pink. My favorite. Wait, actually, it's kind of pretty, though. Is it really a lip swatch video if you don't start to run out of battery? Because not in my world. Kiwi to My Heart. This one barely has any scent. No scent and no color. Awesome. Now I have to swatch another clear one. Love that for me. This is my favorite, by the way, the chocolate one. When they said coconut, they meant suntan oil coconut. That's what they meant. Wake up before you cocoa. I bet nobody even understands that reference. I did it. And I don't even have to go put on lip balm like I usually do after lip swatches because I already have some on. Nice how that works out. Nailed it! Doing great. Good luck to all of us. Okay, I'm getting distracted by my eyeshadow again. Typical. Isn't this eyeshadow so cute? It's the Clionadh Archeo palette, and I definitely filmed this look, so that will be up soon if it's not already up, because I think that this eyeshadow look is so cute. I love it. I'm so tired. All of the planning, all of the holidays, all of that stuff. It's all good stuff. It's just a lot, you know? You know what I mean? Even a lot of good stuff is still a lot. And there's always not good stuff mixed in. That's just the way that it goes being a human, unfortunately. I gotta film the arm swatches and I need to make myself a huge, huge mug of tea because I just want something warm and comforting while I edit. That sounds really good to me. I'm gonna light one of my little crackly wick Fantasy Cosmetica candles, drink a gigantic mug of tea that's the size of my head, and start editing this video for you. That's what I'm up to. What are you up to? I'm probably posting this pretty close to Thanksgiving. That's my plan anyway. Not on the day, but probably that week. So I hope that you are having a lovely holiday if you celebrate that holiday. And if you don't, then I hope that you're just having a regular, lovely old week. That's what you deserve. I have the most misbehaving eyebrows. Like, honestly, can you just calm down? Just lay down and rest, please. Stop going every which direction. Are you really a YouTuber if you haven't pep talked your own eyebrows? Yes, you probably are a much better one than me. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm happy you're here. I appreciate your time, and I think that you are sweeter than a sugar cookie. And I love your face, and I'll see you real soon.